In this video, we will explain how to download and use the OKM download tool, a utility designed to facilitate the downloading of content from OpenKM. Once inside the OpenKM environment, we go to the Tools section. There, we will find the Desktop Utilities area, where we can locate the OKM download tool option. By clicking the link, the installer will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, we open the executable file to start the installation process. We accept the terms of use and follow the instructions provided by the setup wizard. The process is simple and does not require advanced configuration. After installation, we can launch the tool from the desktop shortcut. When opening it, we enter our OpenKM access credentials. From that moment on, we can start using the application to download the documents we need. The OKM download tool interface is intuitive and user-friendly. It allows us to search for documents by name, category, or date. Once the desired file is located, we simply select it and click the download button. The file will be automatically saved in the default folder, which can be changed in the settings. Additionally, it is possible to configure filters to automate downloads based on criteria such as document type or source folder. This feature is especially useful when working with large volumes of information on a regular basis. Lastly, it is important to note that this tool is intended exclusively for authorized users within the OpenKM environment. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, you can contact the technical support team or consult the official documentation available on the OpenKM website.